Hi kids, I'm going to show you how you can draw a picture of an animal on Seesaw. The first thing you need to do is find a picture of an animal. I did a Google image search and I found this adorable penguin. First thing I did was I saved this picture of a penguin to my device. Then I go back to Seesaw, I click the camera button, and I upload it because I have it saved. You can also copy and paste it. Once I've got my picture in the background, that's going to help me draw it. First thing I'm going to do is use the highlighter tool to color in. I'm going to choose the highlighter and I'm going to do a light gray for the feathers, the white feathers of its belly and arms. And then with the highlighter tool, I'm just going to color over it. You can pick a thicker one if you want to fill it in more quickly. It is helpful to do your highlighting first and then outline it second. There's his belly. Now I'm going to do his wings and his other wing. Now I'm going to switch the highlighter to black. I'm going to color in his face. It's okay if this is not perfect. We can always go back and edit it later or color it in better. Highlight white over his eye space. There we go. Now I'm going to switch to the pen tool and I'm going to outline my penguin. I want my outline to be in black. This you got to do carefully so you outline the entire animal from head to foot. Now I'm going to switch to orange and do his beak and his feet. And since his foot's hidden here in the snow, I could just color it in as it is, or I could give it a little detail and say his foot's actually going out that way. I'm going to go back to the black, add his eye, the line for his mouth, and his claws on his webbed feet. Once I'm done with all of the details from my picture, I'm going to click on the hand at the bottom here. Now I'm going to click on the photo, and I'm going to delete the photo. What I'm left with is my picture of my animal that I created. I can also go back to the pen tool and write my name. And if you're practicing with your keyboard, you can also click on the T and add a text box with your name. Always easier to type first and then move the text box second. Once you're done with your animal, you're going to go ahead and click the green check mark to save your animal. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see what animals you create.